Right guys, welcome back to the show. Yes, I'm Xiaogang from Glorious Timepiece GTC 4 Studio. So yeah, and today I'm going to unboxing a very nice, stunning watch. This is a Hamilton Khaki automatic. It's a 38mm. It's one of the hot model in Hamilton watch. So yeah, so let's see on the watch. We have a very nice box over here, right? Okay, and what I got here, a very nice box here. I have an instruction manual over here. Okay, and here is the box. Oh, I have a 2 years international warranty for this watch. Okay, let's put it here. And here is the watch. It's very nice. As you can see, very nice. Okay, right. 38mm. Okay. Sapphire crystal. Okay, see-through display case back at the back here, and this is a newly updated caliber H10. Is actually Hamilton caliber H10. It actually is a base 28 ETA 2824. So and it's modified by Swatch, dedicated to a used by a Hamilton. So the power reserve is actually up to 80 hours. So it is truly stunning, amazing 80 hours power reserve. Very nice. Okay, as you can see, the newly updated, the rotor is, the execution of the rotor, the design is different comparing with the old model, the old ETA model. Okay, so you can see very nice Hamilton logo. Okay, as you can see here, very nice. A black dial. Okay, this is look very nice, stunning, vintage inspired. It look like a pilot watch. Very nice. Okay. Okay, let's try on the wrist. As you can see here, very nice. 38mm. Alright. Right guys, for just a quick review video, I will catch you guys in the next section. So here, I'm Xiaogang. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.